smart solutions. Add-on desires.
Hello viewers, welcome to our daily news analysis session. This session is mainly for aspirants, those who are preparing for banking, groups, EPFO and such other examinations. So the level of standard will be such that would be helpful for these aspirants. So first, Novavax reports 96% efficiency on the original virus. First, what is Novavax? Novavax is a biotechnology firm. It is based in USA, and the vaccine it has developed for COVID, it is also named as Novavax. So both the company's name and the vaccine name is Novavax. It is based in USA. Second, this article is talking about a multinational exercise called Desert Flag. So Desert Flag is a multinational exercise. So what is a multinational exercise? If more than two countries participate in an exercise, then it is called as multinational exercise. This exercise, Desert Flag, is being hosted by United Arab Emirates, and India along with South Korea has been invited for this year's multilateral joint exercise. So what happened was, even though it was going on from last few years, India and South Korea were not invited. So from this year onwards, India and South Korea will also participate. So we'll look into other countries who are participating. UAE, it is a host country. India, Bahrain, France, Saudi Arabia, South Korea and United States. These are the countries participating in this joint exercise. Today, for the first time, Quad leaders has met at prime ministerial level. That is, though earlier Quad members has met, the countries of this Quad were represented by ministerial level. That is, ministers of Quad countries will be meeting. But for the first time, countries heads, that is from India, Narendra Modi garu, next Scott Morrison and Joe Biden, and from Japan, the Japanese Prime Minister has taken part of this meeting. So let's see what were the items discussed. Earlier, there was a misconception that Quad was mainly to contain China. So in this Quad meeting, there were topics other than China, such as vaccines, climate change and emerging technological emerging technical aspirations. So various items has been discussed by the Quad members. So what is a Quad grouping? Quad is a informal grouping of 4 countries. So what are these countries? These are India, USA, Australia and Japan. Next, stop influx from Myanmar. As there was a coup in Myanmar and there is civilian unrest in Myanmar, many people from Myanmar are coming into India. So central government has asked the northeastern states which share border with the Myanmar to stop these migrants from coming over to India. So what are the 4 neighboring states of Myanmar? Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. These 4 Indian states has a border with Myanmar. And one thing you should note is India is not a signatory of United Nations Refugee Convention. So there was a meeting and there was some proposals made, and these proposals asked for the ratifying countries, that is, the countries which accept these proposals should take care of the migrants who are coming to the countries. But India is not a member of the United Nations Refugee Convention. For more details about the Myanmar-India border, visit our March 6th video for AP and Telangana special titled Inflation Decreases as Index of Infrastructure as IIP decreases. What is IIP? IIP stands for Index of Industrial Production. So let's look into various types of inflation. So first, there is wholesale price index. This is called as WPI. This wholesale price index is widely used to calculate the inflation. So first, what is inflation? Inflation is the rise in prices of goods in general. That is, let's say in 2010, the price of one book is 30 rupees, and in 2020 the same book is costing 40 rupees, then you can understand there is increase in the price. So the increase in the price on the country as a whole, it is termed as inflation. So let's see the inflation types. The wholesale price index is published by Office of Economic Advisor. So this Office of Economic Advisor publishes the information regarding the wholesale price index. Office of Economic Advisor comes under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. As we seen earlier, to know that a price of the good is increased, we should compare it to something. That is, only if we know the price of the book is 10 rupees in 2010, we can compare the same book price in 2020. So this 2010 price that we are taking to compare is called as base price. And for wholesale price index, the base price is 2011 to 2012. There is second type of index called as consumer price index. So what is the main difference between wholesale price index and consumer price index? Wholesale price index will calculate the increase in prices from wholesale point of view. That is, let's say there is a bookshop and the bookshop is buying books, and from the point of bookshop, it is calculating how much price has been increased. Because bookshop buys books in bulk, so the price will be low compared to the retail price, whereas in consumer price index, the price increase will be calculated from the retail person point of view. That is, person A, if he feel that the price is increased, then consumer price index is generally increased. So a person's point of view is taken in this case. Also, in consumer price index, services are included. That is, let's say you want to take a haircut, and in 2010 it is costing 100 rupees, and you remember that in 2010 they charged only 50 rupees. So now you understand that there is an increase in price of the haircut charged by the service provider. As the haircut can be taken by individual person, that is only in retail you can take a haircut. That is, you cannot go to the salon and ask for 100 haircuts for a single person. So the services are included only in the consumer price index. Next, what are the four types of consumer price index? They are consumer price index for agricultural workers, for industrial workers, for agricultural laborers, for rural laborers, for rural, urban and combined. So from these people's point of view, the consumer price index will be calculated. So in wholesale price index, Office of Economic Advisor is giving data. So for these indexes, who will provide the data? For these three, Labor Bureau will provide the inflation data, and Labor Bureau comes under the Ministry of Labor and Employment. Whereas for Consumer Price Index, rural, urban combined, this is provided by Central Statistical Organization. This Central Statistical Organization is under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, and the base year is 2012. Let's see how a question can be asked. They will ask wholesale price index is given by which organization, and this organization comes under which ministry, or else consumer price index is given by whom, and what is the base year of the consumer price index. These can be the type of questions you are expected to answer in the question paper. Next, index of industrial production. So what is this index? This is an index that shows growth rate in different industry groups of the economy. So earlier we were discussing about increase in prices, whereas this index of industrial production is talking about increase or decrease in production. Okay, this is prices of the goods, this is production as a whole. So this will say that if there is increase in index of industrial production, it means that more amount of goods are being produced in the economy. Let's see who publishes this index of industrial production. It is compiled and published by National Statistical Organization, and this organization comes under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. What is the base year of IIP? It is 2011 and 2012. So let's see the question. They can ask which inflationary indexes have a base year of 2011 and 2012. They can give options like consumer price index, wholesale price index, index of industrial production, and some other index. So the answer will be both B and C, because CPI base year is 2012, not 2011 to 2012. Okay, so this is the end of this session. Please share about this session to your other aspirant friends. Thank you.
Add-on solutions. Add-on desired.